Microsoft PL-900 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. A company uses a Power App to capture images of business cards during an event. They want to automatically extract text data, such as name and phone number, from the images. Which Microsoft Power Platform capability should they use? A. Copilot Studio, B. AI Builder, C. Azure Machine Learning, D. Microsoft Dataverse. The answer is B. AI Builder is a Microsoft Power Platform feature that allows users to add AI capabilities to apps and workflows without writing code. It includes pre-built models such as Business Card Reader, which is specifically designed to extract contact details from business card images. Copilot Studio is used to create AI-powered chatbots. Azure Machine Learning is a more advanced tool outside the Power Platform, used for custom machine learning models. Microsoft Dataverse is a data platform, not a tool for image or text extraction. An enterprise is assessing how security and access control are managed in Microsoft Power Platform. What is the most granular level at which authorization can be applied in the platform's security model? A. Tenant, B. Row, C. Environment, D. Column. The answer is B. In Microsoft Dataverse, which underpins much of Power Platform's data security, row-level security, also known as record-level security, allows the most detailed control. You can assign permissions to individual records, rows, ensuring users only access the data they are authorized to see or edit. Tenant level refers to organization-wide settings. Environment level controls broader platform access and segregation. Column level, field level security, is more detailed than environment or tenant, but row level is still more granular because it controls access on a per-record basis. A company has created a Power Apps app called Inventory Management. Users are experiencing issues accessing the app. As the administrator, where should you go to create a support ticket with Microsoft? A. Inventory Management App. B. Microsoft 365 Admin Center. C. Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center. D. Maker Portal. The answer is C. The Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center is the correct place to manage environments, monitor apps, and create support tickets specifically for Power Platform issues like Power Apps, Power Automate, and Dataverse. Inventory Management App is just the user-facing application and doesn't provide support or admin tools. Microsoft 365 Admin Center is used for broader Microsoft 365 services but not specifically for Power Platform support. Maker Portal is used to build and edit Power Apps, but not for submitting support tickets. You are building a Power Pages site for a company. The company wants to display a chart on a web page that visualizes data stored in Microsoft Dataverse. Which two features can you use to display the chart on the Power Pages site? A. Canvas App Pie Chart Control. B. Power by Tile. C. Canvas App Line Chart Control. D. Model-Driven App Chart. The answer is BD. Power by Tile. B. Power Pages supports embedding Power by reports and tiles to display interactive visualizations of Dataverse data. Model-driven app chart. D. You can expose model-driven charts, which are based on Dataverse views, in Power Pages by embedding them using liquid templates or custom components. You are designing a Power Pages website for a company. After creating and branding the pages, you need to make the site publicly accessible on the Internet. Which tool should you use to publish the site and make it available online? A. Design Studio. B. Visual Studio Code. C. Portal Management App. D. Power Automate Maker Portal. The answer is A. Design Studio is the main tool used to design, edit, and publish Power Pages websites. Once you're done designing and branding the pages, you use Design Studio to publish the site, which makes it publicly available on the Internet. Visual Studio Code, B, is a developer tool and not part of the Power Pages publishing process. Portal Management App, C, is used for advanced configuration, like security roles, table permissions, not for publishing. Power Automate Maker Portal, D, is for building and managing flows, not for Power Pages site publishing. You are reviewing a Power by report that analyzes a company's sales data. You receive an insight notification indicating that one of the company's stores had higher sales than the target in the previous quarter. Which type of insight is this an example of? A. Key Performance Indicator, KPI, analysis. B. Significant anomaly. C. Trend reversal. D. Recent trend. The answer is A. A KPI analysis insight compares actual performance against a predefined target. In this case, the insight is highlighting that sales exceeded the target, which is classic KPI behavior. Significant anomaly, B, indicates unexpected or irregular data behavior, such as a sudden spike or drop. Trend reversal, C, suggests a change in direction of a trend, e.g., from increasing to decreasing. Recent trend, D, focuses on identifying ongoing short-term trends but not necessarily in comparison to a target. A company is planning to use Dynamics 365 customer service to manage customer interactions. They want to deploy a self-service portal where customers can log in and view their open support cases. Which Microsoft Power Platform capability should they use? A. Canvas app. B. Model-driven app. C. Power Pages site. The answer is C. Power Pages is the Microsoft Power Platform component designed to build external-facing websites that can securely display and collect Dataverse data. In this case, it allows customers to log in and view their open support cases, stored in Dataverse, Dynamics 365. Canvas apps are ideal for internal users and highly customized interfaces but not suitable for unauthenticated or customer-facing portals. Model-driven apps are designed for internal business users and use the Dataverse model but cannot be directly exposed to external customers. A company is developing a model-driven app for employees to record customer orders. Each new customer record in Dataverse must include a manually entered alphanumeric customer ID. The customer table is already created. What should you configure to store the customer ID? A. Column. B. Relationship. C. Dataflow. D. Table. The answer is A. In Dataverse, to store specific data like a customer ID, you need to create or configure a column, formerly known as a field, in the appropriate table. A column holds individual data values such as names, IDs, or dates for each record, row, in the table. Table, D, refers to the entire data structure, e.g., customer, it's already set up. Relationship, B, is used to define how tables connect, e.g., customer to orders, not to store specific fields. Data flow, C, is used for importing or transforming external data into Dataverse, not for defining individual data entry fields. A company wants to use Power Automate to send email alerts to a specific employee whenever the company is mentioned in a Twitter post. From which two locations can you create the required flow? A. A browser. B. Dynamics 365. C. A desktop application. D. A mobile app. The answer is AD. Power Automate is primarily a cloud-based service and its flow creation interface is accessible via a web browser, A. It also has a mobile app, D, that allows users to create, edit, and manage flows on the go. While Dynamics 365, B, can integrate with Power Automate, it doesn't provide the full flow creation interface. There is no dedicated desktop application, C, for building Power Automate flows. Flows are managed online or via the mobile app. A company using the Power Platform is implementing Power BI to create reports and dashboards by connecting to multiple data sources. Which two of the following data sources can Power BI connect to? A. Microsoft OneNote. B. Microsoft Dataverse. C. Microsoft Excel. D. Microsoft Word. The answer is B. C. Microsoft Dataverse, B, is a native, cloud-based data platform within Power Platform, fully supported by Power BI for building reports and dashboards. Microsoft Excel, C, files can be imported or connected to Power BI as a common data source. Microsoft OneNote, A, and Microsoft Word, D, are not standard data sources for Power BI.